Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be looking at a sparkline in Excel. And basically what sparkline does is you've got some data. So if you've got, let's say for example in this data set here, I've got months going forwards, I've got sales of these individuals, so these salesmen. Um, and what the sparkline would enable you to do is visually see the month on month trend within the data. Anyways, let's get straight into it. So it's a nice, easy, simple kind of function to use. So the way you want to get to that now is if you go into Insert and this section here which says Line Sparkline. So if I click on that, data range, if you highlight the first um, data set, the row, and if you click OK, so there you go. So you can see that it's just a visual representation all within one cell of that top row there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this down, and we have the sparkline in there for all of the individuals. And yeah, it's a nice kind of visual representation, as I said. So for example, here you've got a bit of a spike and then it dips down. So what you can see here within the sparkline, you can see that spike and then the dip at the end. So yeah, it's just a nice way to present data really. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video and hit subscribe. I'll keep the videos coming.